Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the Unarc.Dll missing or Isdone error on your system. So here we go. The Isdone.Dll dynamic link robbery and Unarc.Dll error in Windows 10 or 11, mostly related to the installation of PC games as well program of a large size. Large games or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. If your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So here the method or the solution to fix this error, you have to increase your Windows page file or virtual memory. So you can open by hold Windows key and R key, and this is the run box. So you can open Isdone.Dll. You can pause this video, then click OK, and this is the system properties. So you can click advanced, click performance settings. Next you can click advanced again, and this is the virtual memory. Click change. Here on the virtual memory you can untick this box first in order to manually manage paging file. So you can click custom size. You can fill with a 400 and 3000. So you can set OK, then apply. Next step is restart your system. Then you can try reinstall the game or software again. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. As well as the button below. See you in the next video.